Okay, so in question 22, we're being asked to calculate the greatest volume of a substance. We've been given a load of densities and a load of masses. So we can write the equation for density, being that density, we call it D, is equal to the mass over the volume of the substance. That's obviously indicated by the units of grams per centimetre cubed. So if we're trying to rearrange this equation, we need to get volume to be the subject of the equation, and volume is going to come to the top of this half. Density is obviously going to go down to the bottom over there, and so that's going to give us a rearranged equation where the volume is equal to the mass divided by the density this time. So in each of the examples, if we go A, B, C, and then D, A has a mass of 500 milligrams, so this is where they made the question slightly more complicated because they're giving you two values in milligrams. So the 1000 milligrams being 1 gram, so we know that the mass in A is 0.5, now the mass in B is 0.65, in C it's 1.2, giving us a usual unit of mass this time, and for D it's 1.3. If we divide by each of the densities then, so in A it's 0.63, in B it was 0.80, C 1.33, and then for D it was 1.48. So now we've got those values. If you basically put those into a calculator, A and B you can see are less than 1, whereas C and D are both values larger than 1. So we can cross out A and B, and if you calculate these numerical values, D comes out as being slightly larger than C, and so that is the one with the greatest volume. So that will be D.